Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change an icon on Windows. And I'm using Windows 10, so I will show you on Windows 10 how to do this. Alright, click on the right mouse and then go to Personalize like this. And then we click on Themes. Then from here we go to Desktop Icon Settings and then you will see this. Now, maybe I don't like here the this PC, let's change the network icon. Then we click here on this icon and then we do change icon. Then right here you see a lot of icons that you can use for your network. And right here you can select the icon that you want to use for this network icon. Now then after that you do OK, do apply, and then you change your icon on Windows. So this is exactly how you can do this, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.